Hi guys, this video will show you how to record a Google slideshow with narration using Canvas Studio. So I would suggest going to the studio icon here. You can see that. Oh, and before you get too far, make sure that your microphone has permissions. So I actually thought that I had a problem with my computer or something. It wouldn't work for 2 years because I had microphone blocked here. So if you're recording camera, make sure that's allowed, and if you're recording microphone, make sure that's allowed. And then you will click Create, and you can use Studio Capture or Screencast-O-Matic, either's fine. So I'm going to click Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, I moved this up here so that it didn't overlap with the other screen recording that I'm doing at the same time. And so it's set here to just record the screen. If you want to have your face on the screen, just click to allow the webcam at the same time. You can see that the green bars are moving, so that means it's recording narration. This is set to record computer sounds. Make sure that that is turned on if you've got audio preloaded into your slideshow. So we can click this box to just hide those controls. And so now we are ready to actually record the slideshow. Now, make sure that you've got your script or your speaker notes where you can read them that are not on this same screen. It's a little bit of a pain to try to look at the speaker notes while it's in presenter mode while you're doing a screencast. So if you have them written down, or you've got them open on your phone, or if you've got them preloaded as recorded audio slide by slide, any of those is fine. So when you're ready, you click Slideshow, and you click Record. It's going to give you a little countdown. And here you're saying your intro, whatever you wanted to say there, and you click to advance to the next slide. Of course, make sure that you've got this set so that it's actually, everything's in frame. Mine's a little messed up here, trying to get all the controls set because I've got screencasting a screencast. And like if you have any that have audio in them, make sure that you click on the little thing there to play the audio. Go through your whole slideshow with your script or your audio that you've got recorded. And then when you're done, you'll click Pause. And if you've messed something up and you need to do a whole new take, you can click, delete everything and start over. But if you had a pretty good take and you want to save that, you click Done. You can push play here to check, listen to that, make sure that it sounds okay. If there's parts that you need to edit out, if somebody walked in the room while you were working on it and you just need to clip something out, you can click Edit to make changes. But if it's a pretty good take and you're done with it, give it a title, and you click Upload. All right, now continue. Now all this has done is upload it to Canvas as a video, but it hasn't turned it in for your assignment yet. So I'm going to click Escape to get out of slideshow mode there. And then I'm going to go to the actual assignment. And then you go to the bottom and you choose your submission type. So you can click on Studio, and it already loads it because it knows that this is the only video that I've got. I click on that and I click Embed Media. Give it a second to load. And then I click Submit Assignment. And ta-da! So now the video has been recorded and successfully turned in. I hope that helps. Thanks very much.